Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you are having a lovely day. Today's video is going to be about pouring art, so we're creating a lovely pouring art today, hopefully. Here we have large pins that goes at the back of the canvas just to give it support. I prefer using these are really good, very helpful. Right, let's start by inserting these sticks inside the canvas. This prepares the canvas, it's very useful. Some people don't use it, but it's really good. It just keeps the canvas in place. Sorry if I'm not sounding right, I've got a really bad cold. Okay, it's enough for me. Let's just put the pins in place, one on each corner. That's it. Now we're just going to turn the canvas around. Right, today I'm going to talk about the colours I actually use. You can get ready-made, which is pouring acrylic colours. You could get that from Artisan. There's so many colours to choose from. They're all ready-made, but for me I prefer mixing my own colours. I'll show you how I do that as well. I'm mixing dark grey, using dark grey on one side and white on the other half. I want to gold my gold colour is that, so I'm going to show you how I mix the gold. To be honest, I'm going to do these colours first time with the gold. I'm using acrylic. I'm going to mix my own gold colour and I'll show you how to do it. To be honest, I'm mixing these colours first time. So let's see what happens. I'm going to put this high velocity acrylic colour. This is metallic gold. So we're going to put a little bit of this colour. And this one is also high. This is rich gold. This is slightly darker than the other one. No, you can see this is slightly darker. Gonna mix. This is medium, pouring medium. This is good to mix with the pouring paints. That gives a nice depth to it. We're gonna put half, same amount of acrylic pouring into the colors, and then I'm gonna put a little bit of water, plain water. And now I'm just gonna mix it. Mix. Let's see what happens, because I haven't mixed these colors before, so let's see what color we get and if it's the right consistency. Oopsie. It's quite thick. I like my acrylic pouring paints to be a little bit more runny than this. So we're gonna add a little bit more water because we already put enough pouring medium. So we add more water to it. Oh wow, this is the right consistency. And the colors come out nice. As you can see, look, gold. It's two colors mixed, but it's come out nice. Let's see how it comes out on the actual canvas. Okay, so we got gold. That's really dark gray. It's white. And I'm going to be using this bronze from Artisan. This is already mixed. So you can get these colors from online as well. And a little bit of, I'm going to add a little bit of black as well. It's Mars black. Okay, let's go. Alright, let's start. Let's turn around the canvas. And we're just going to place it here. Okay. Use the white one at the top. I'm going to use more of the white, less of the dark color, as it takes over the whole canvas when the dark color is too much. So just going to do this much. Gonna evenly spread all the color all over the canvas, as this is gonna be the base. The color is just gonna float. So nice and smooth. Nicely evenly all over the canvas. There we go. Right, now as the base is made, we're gonna, it's all prepared. We're gonna add, I'm not adding too much color in the middle because I wanna keep it minimal. So we're just gonna go across. Bronze color. A little bit of the black, just a little bit of dots. Don't want too much. Gonna put a little bit of white around here. Right. We're just gonna use simple normal hair dryer that we use for our hair to dry. So I'm just gonna go nicely over it, just pushing the colors. Oops, I just realized my camera wasn't recording when I blew the color out. Oh well, maybe next time. As I wanted it this type, I'm just gonna try moving it with the palette knife a little bit, just to give it a little bit more. I like this part. It's got a lot of cells in it here. I really like this part. Just gonna do the edges with our fingers. So it's nice and dark from this edge. Here I'm just modifying it with a palette knife, so to get my desired pattern. Right guys, this is the final look. Actually, I'm happy with it. I don't know what you think of it. I just wanted this much gold in there, so do let me know what you think of this. I just had to adjust a little bit around here. That's it. I hope you liked the video guys. If you like it, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more, and do give feedback if you want this type of videos. See you in my next video. Hopefully I should be feeling better by then as well, and I'll show you in my next video the dry version of this canvas. Hopefully it should be dried up by then. Take care. Bye.